If your iPhone 17 Pro is not turning on, showing a black screen, or completely unresponsive, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix an iPhone 17 Pro that won't power on. We'll start with the easiest fixes first, then move to advanced recovery methods if your phone is still stuck on a black screen. The first thing you should do is charge your iPhone properly. A completely drained battery can make the iPhone look completely dead even though it still works. Connect your iPhone 17 Pro to a wall charger using an Apple-certified USB-C cable and adapter. Avoid cheap or damaged charging accessories because they may not deliver enough power. Now leave the iPhone connected for at least 30 to 60 minutes without touching it. Sometimes the battery becomes deeply discharged and needs extra time before the Apple logo appears. While charging, check for signs of life like vibration, charging sound, or screen activity. If the screen is still black after charging, the next step is a force restart. This fixes many temporary software crashes that prevent the iPhone from turning on. Here's how to do it correctly on iPhone 17 Pro. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Do not release the side button even if the screen stays black at first. Keep holding it continuously for around 15 to 20 seconds until you see the Apple logo appear. A lot of people release the button too early, so make sure you keep holding it long enough. If it doesn't work the first time, repeat the exact button sequence again carefully. Timing matters. Now let's check the charging hardware. If your iPhone still won't turn on, inspect the USB-C charging port carefully. Dust, lint, or debris inside the port can stop the phone from charging properly. Use a flashlight to check the port and gently clean it if needed. Also try a different charging cable, adapter, or wall outlet. Sometimes the charger itself is the real problem. If your iPhone connects to power but still shows only a black screen, you may need to use recovery mode. This helps reinstall the iPhone software if iOS became corrupted during an update or system crash. Connect your iPhone 17 Pro to a Mac or Windows computer using a USB-C cable. Open Finder on Mac or the Apple Devices app on Windows. Now perform the same force restart button sequence again while connected to the computer. Keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once detected, you'll see options to update or restore the iPhone. Try Update first because it reinstalls iOS without deleting your data. If Update fails, then you may need to restore the device completely. Finally, think about what happened before the iPhone stopped turning on. Did the phone overheat? Was it dropped in water? Did the issue happen during an iOS update? Does it vibrate or make sounds when pressing buttons? These clues help determine whether the problem is software-related or actual hardware damage. And that's how to fix an iPhone 17 Pro that is not turning on.